I watched this video and I shedded tears. In fact, it destabilized me. I was deeply emotional, and I now wondered, why would somebody continue to go through this kind of thing? If you look at this woman in question in this video, this woman is an old woman. This woman should not be less than 60 years. She should be in her early 60s or late 50s. And this thing has been happening to this woman since when she was young in that marriage with that man. And she went through this abuse throughout the period that she had lived with till this time that this woman is 60, in her early 60s or late 50s. And she couldn't leave. She remained there because of what people would say, because of the way the society has brainwashed women, program us that we should be like this. What no matter the situation, we should bear it. We should continue, even if the situation is so uncomfortable, even if it's unbearable, we should continue to endure it. And some people endured until at the end of the day, they became unalived. And so they want her to remain like that until the man will unalive her. Can you understand? Can you imagine this kind of situation? Can you imagine the kind of pain this can give to a human being? Can you see? This person is a mother. A mother whom, if she has children, there should be grown-up children. Yet still going through this kind of thing. In the name of what? In the name of what? Stop shaming people. Stop shaming people for things that they don't know how to control. Things that they don't have control over. Stop shaming them. Stop making them feel as if they are failures. Stop making them feel as if they cannot. Watch this video yourself. Watch it. Watch it for yourselves.